Okay, leave that now to cure. Half an hour, they say. So we'll give it half an hour. And then come back and see how we've done. Okay, I've given it a hell of a lot longer than the half hour it said. Because what I've been doing is I've been watching this pink on here. And it goes white after a while. And I'm thinking, maybe that's where it's worked. And where it's pink, it hasn't worked yet. So I've been waiting for as much as possible to go white. But it's now been 4 hours. I think that's enough. Now, it then says what you've got to do is start rubbing this onto it to remove the blackness. I'm not seeing a lot of blackness, I'm seeing a lot of whiteness. But let's do what it says. And then you've got to wash it off. And how I've washed it, that'll be another challenge. Now I've been looking at it and thinking, when it comes to the finish, I don't have any blue paint. And I know it should be trademark, typical, blue for record, but you ain't got it. So I'm not going to be spending loads of money on extra paint that I don't have. So it will be a lilac, because I've got some lilac. It's close enough. Purple, lilac. Okay, the next stage is washing it. So what I'm going to do is a bed bath type thing. I'm not going to put it directly into water. It takes far too long probably to clean it out. So I've got a scrubber and a ball. Still plenty of rust on it. Second time I've used this product now. Second time I've not been too impressed with it. Why it's one of the leading makes, I don't know. Let's see if I can undo this. Okay, well, what I've got at the moment is a split pin in there. I'll get that opened. No, it's not a split pin, it's a nail. Yeah, somebody's turned a nail over. Whoever stripped it down last time, so it has been stripped down. Let's get that nail out. That's how we're going to do that by breaking it, seems. One, and a spin. Right, that's that out. Now it's time for protective gloves. Okay. Right, so that slides in there, and then goes in that way. In and in that way. And now, that will come all out. Now I've got major cleaning to do again. Because in there it's here. Yeah. There. Aggie horrible. Yeah. Give it a petrol bath. Right, I should go get this petrol bath, but I'll be doing it outside. Got it. A bit of WD always does the trick. Right, mask it up, ready for painting. Okay, masked up, ready to spray. Now, because this is just for me, just for the workshop, not for anything else, the colour is primarily determined by what I've got the most of, so I don't want to waste anything. And, strangely enough, gold. Nice, elegant finish. Elegant, eh? For an engineering base, eh? So what? Should look quite interesting. I'll keep going until it looks good. Now, one other thing I need to do in preparation for when I finish this vice is think about where's it going to go? When am I going to use it? I mean, the workshop is already set out. Put a vice in, you've restricted the use of that surface. So, like with this one, I'm going to put it on the same sort of base, so that I can, when I want, take it out and put it away and swap the vices. Now this one, and being an engineer vice as well, is a far more universal one, and I don't want to abuse it by doing dirty grinding, welding, such things on it. So the other one will take the place of the dirty stuff. This will do the nice clean engineering, the other one will do the dirty engineering. But still in the same place. So I need to make a base. 25mm MDF and 18mm plywood. Same shade to do that. Now what it needs to fit into this store point, because this is where I store it. So when I'm finished with it, it will go into here, or one similar to it, but that is the set out for that. It's all nicely refurbished and repainted. I won't reassemble it yet. I'll give it a few days, let the paint cure first, otherwise it's only going to start chipping off on me. Jaws are looking lovely, nice and clean. Now I just need to carry on with the base for it all to sit on. Okay, ready to do some assembly. Now I'm just going to go back together as it was. I've got to shut up, just do some sanding. I could grind the bottom of that shiny again, but it will wear off. Wait till the steel on it, it will wear off. In the side of that. So push this in first, then I believe we put this in and put the thread in. Put the thread in. Now then, I've got to put in the thread in. I've got to roll all that up at the same time from underneath. Wedge in there, it's got to go into that first. Hold on to it. That's it, that's it. Now, this can all come back out again. There, like that. Now I've got to knock that pin through. Hold all that in place. Relatively simple. Right, okay, next thing I need is all these things and everything up this end. Wash up this end. If I can get it. Find it down there somewhere. There it is. Got it. There. Now I've taken a nail, cut the head off of it, and I shall use that bent over as a pin, because that's what it was. What came out, somebody just put a nail in there. That starts it. That's enough. That's not going to come out of there. Don't need to overdo it. Right. Be careful with the paint, it's still new-ish. So that's good. Lots of squeaky noises at the moment because of the paint. There, and that needs now just mounting there. Oh, or rather it'll be there in place of that one when the board is ready. And that's it. So there you have a nice new looking rice. Okay, now the board's ready. As you can see, it's nicely varnished up to match them with the rest. It's not as dark, but that's probably because this has had many years of aging. And as we know, varnish ages and darkens. Right, got the vice, got the board, got 3 clutch bolts, too long at the moment, 3 nuts and 6 washers. Now, because of the system I've got here, where you would normally put the clutch bolt down from the top and sink it flush, I can't. I've got to come up from the bottom because having it flush inside is more important than having it flush outside. So I bring it up and then I will cut it off so it's clear, especially at the back when it's got to be clear. So it'll be done in reverse order, but it makes no difference to it when finished. So firstly, removing this one and sighting ourselves. Remember what I said about the jaw needs to be flush with the front of your bench, otherwise it won't work. And that there puts us quite close to the edge, but strong enough. Okay, there we go. Now we just need a drill bit to clear that. Okay, that's the top done. What I want to do now is countersink the underside just a little bit, just to take the head. And mount it in. Enough, that's good. Check everything's going to sit as we want it to. It does. Okay, now I need to remove the excess of the bolts, which will be quite a bit. As you can see, there are quite a bit. One little tip with cutting bolts: always put a nut on that fits before you cut it, and past the cut point, of course. That way then, as you know, cutting burrs up the thread. Taking the nut off will clean that thread back off you. Trick my dad taught me many years ago. Oh, lucky there, I had no problem with any of them threads. Probably because they're quite large threads. problem at all. Right. Okay, let's try it out, just see everything works as it should do. Okay, good. Now we've got a second vise to work with. Okay, there we have it. And with the help of some grease in the right place, we have it silent as well. Yeah, that bit will quieten down as well. Okay, right, well there we go. Hope you've enjoyed watching that. If you have, stick a like in the box for us, would you? Otherwise, see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.